Good morning, boys and girls. So today we're going to do a character sketch of Jessie, and I've put the different things that you need to have in your character sketch. And the reason I kind of put them all over the place is because I want you to be creative. I want you to be thinking about ways that you can make a character sketch of Jessie that's in your own way. So here's the kind of things that I want you to have. Number one, I want you to draw Jessie. That's going to be your main part of what's going to be going on in your sketch. You can have Jessie take up the whole space if you want, and then just leave spots for different parts of text. Think about what he's going to wear. What is he going to be doing? Is he just going to be standing there? Is he going to be running because he likes to run? Is he going to be drawing? Use text evidence to draw Jessie the way that you think he should be represented. Then I want you to draw symbols or pictures that represent his characters. What kind of things can you draw? What kind of things represent him? You could think of things maybe like his art, or you could think of different words that describe him, maybe determined or hardworking. Maybe you could draw some chores that he does, or a pail for milking the cow or something like that. And then I want you to make sure to write the chapter number. So we've done chapters 1 through 3 already. So write the chapter number that you're getting the information from. Then write, why is this chapter important? Why are these first 3 chapters, if we're doing 1 through 3, why are these chapters important? Then I want you to use, I'm sorry, this should have been number 5. Use colored pencils, crayons to add to your sketch note. Also, you're going to want to add important quotes that tell more about Jess. Something that kind of really strikes you as being interesting that you want to add. Make sure this is kind of like a piece of art, so use your color to do that. Then what character traits can you use to describe Jess? You may use the character traits that we've been learning about in Pear Deck. You can look through your notebook and try to see if you can find some character traits to describe them, and maybe kind of write the words nice and bold, like in a sketch note style. You can bold and frame, you can create images. Also, make sure to look at the back wall and look at the different things that a sketch note needs to have. You can highlight important things, and by highlighting we mean color, not using a highlighter. Bolding and framing important words, and creating image and text. Okay, so I hope that helps. And remember, we're doing this for chapters 1 through 3 right now to kind of catch up with where we are in the story. All right, enjoy and have fun.